Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect buttercream frosting, a chocolate buttercream frosting. It's super silky, creamy and rich and perfectly balanced sweet. And it also comes together very nicely when you decorate your cakes. So let's get started. Here are all the ingredients we will need for this recipe. In a large mixing bowl, add 3 sticks of unsalted butter and whisk it. Look at this, the butter is nicely creamed up. Now is the time of adding sugar, 1 lb or half kg, slowly at a time. Now I'm going to add a very nice cocoa powder as this is the main flavor. Make sure you sift all the cocoa powder as it will have so many lumps. Now add vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Now add cream 1 tablespoon would be fine. And now give a good whisk. Make sure there is no lumps. Now add melted dark chocolate or dark coffee 2 to 3 tablespoons. Because I love chocolate, so I pour the chocolate. Now give a good whisk to combine all together. This is how our frosting should look. Let's start decorating the cake. Put some chocolate buttercream frosting on the cake board and place the first layer of the cake. Now pipe the buttercream on the first layer of the cake. If you don't want to use the piping bags, you can also use the spatula. Now add your second layer of the cake and put more buttercream on it. Now pipe more buttercream on the top and on the sides of the cake. After cooling your cake, apply another round of buttercream. I've used some melted dark chocolate on the top of the cake to give a nice texture to the cake. Look at this. This looks so yummy. Let's decorate more. So now you know how to make a perfect buttercream frosting, chocolate buttercream frosting, and how to decorate a nicely cake. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe it. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye.